If you want to see how they make the easy meal, please click subscribe and bell icon, then let's see together. Thank you.
We use hot water to clean the snake skin. Snake meat can be interesting to eat, and for the most part, it is safe, especially when you prepare it correctly. Snake meat contains protein like any other type of meat. Protein is necessary for many body systems, including the development of muscles. Protein provides amino acids the body cannot obtain any other way, which do everything from building cell walls to regulating hormones. Snake meat contains roughly 93 calories per 100 grams, 3.5 oz of raw meat. Depending on the type of snake, this is roughly half the calories and 1/3 the amount of fat of a similar amount of sirloin beef steak. Fewer calories and less fat content for the same weight of meat can aid dieters in controlling their weight. Snake meat is not common in Western meals, but is popular in other cultures for its supposed health benefits. Now it's time to cook snake, so let's see together. Keep boiling mushrooms to be cooked. Mushrooms are a low-calorie food that packs a nutritional punch. Loaded with many health-boosting vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, they've long been recognized as an important part of any diet. For instance, mushrooms raised with exposure to ultraviolet light are a good source of vitamin D. Thank you for your valuable time watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest video. Thank you.